So we're here today with Annie Scott of the law firm of Annie Scott, and we're glad to have you. I want to ask you just a couple questions. So Annie, tell me a little bit about law school, how you got started, what was your inspiration behind becoming a lawyer?
Well, I went to the Texas Southern University, Thurgood Marshall School of Law, and I became a lawyer because I wanted to help people. That's always been my life's passion. I have a heart for service, and I believe there are a lot of people out there who could use a good, dedicated, passionate lawyer on their side.
Awesome. And so you first went to work for the prosecutor, and that gave you some experience, right? Tell us like one of your favorite things that you've done for a client recently that you used your experience to help them.
Well, yes, I worked for the prosecution for 2 years down in Cameron County, which is in the Valley here in Texas. And one of the cases, there have been numerous cases, but one of the cases that I really enjoyed handling was a case where a client was accused of theft. She worked in a retail store, and they claimed that she had taken some items from the shelves and returned those items and put them on a gift card, and then took that gift card and used it on her own for her personal benefit. And we were able to take that case to trial, and I was able to persuade the jury that she was in fact innocent, and they found her not guilty, and she was able to move on with her life.
Awesome. In the future of Annie Scott's law office, I know you've been working a lot of some court-appointed cases that probably gave you some great experience, but what are you looking for in the future?
Well, I'd like to use that experience that I had working those court-appointed cases to help individuals out in society who've been wrongfully charged and perhaps even wrongfully convicted. I'd like to be that passionate warrior on their side in their defense.
You mentioned the other day, I think, to me that there are also times where people may have some type of conviction on their record, and through your talents and abilities, you can help get that started to be put on, expunged or on the back burner so that it's not seen by employers. Is that right?
Yes, it's called an expunction and a non-disclosure. And certain criminal cases, once you have been charged and your case has been resolved, depending on how it's resolved, you can have that case expunged from your record, or you can have it non-disclosed. They're very similar, but what it means is that no one will be able to see that charge and that arrest if your case qualifies.
Awesome. So let our audience know today how to reach you by phone and email.
Yes, my phone to the office is 281-846-5020, and my email is scotta08@gmail.com.
Awesome. So if you're in need of a criminal attorney or know someone who is, or a family lawyer, we really suggest you give Annie a call. She'll do a great job for you. Thanks for being here today.